How to recover password on TikTok Lite app. So if you want to recover your password, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok Lite application. And after opening your TikTok, you can go to the bottom right corner which has me, and then you have to go to login. And after going to the login, now you can log in using your Facebook account or Google, or you can also continue with your Twitter. So I'll be choosing phone, email, and username. Now you can either log in using your email and username, or you can also log in using your phone. So now to recover your password, you have to simply tap on forgot password, and then you have to choose either phone number or email. Now you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, tap on reset, and now you will receive a 6-digit code to your email address. And now you have to open up your mail, like your Gmail, and here you can see that you have received mail from TikTok. You can simply copy this code and then you can paste it here, and after that you can reset your password. So you have to enter your new password, and after creating your new password, tap on login, and that's it. That's how you reset or recover your TikTok account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.